for a set of headlights for the old Duramax, just maybe a set of LEDs or something like that. And what happens, of course, is one of the followers sends me a set of color temperature changing LEDs. So let's have a look at what's in the box, and then we'll pop them in the 07 Duramax, and let's see what these LEDs are all about. These are the Boslla Bullet 4 color LED headlights. Started out as a Kickstarter, and it looks like they've gone through some pretty extensive testing. They've been dragging them through the mud, freezing them in blocks of ice, putting them in the oven, all sorts of stuff. So they're looking to be pretty durable. All right, we have the packaging. Let's open up the box and see what's going on inside. All right, so opening up the box here, you can see that there's actually not a whole lot inside. We have our bullet kind of connector. This is kind of like our controller for what's going on with these headlights. Headlights themselves right here, they come covered in this case, the little case you got to take off before you install, so make sure you do that. There's a note on there. There's no switches or a bunch of additional wiring or anything like that. So our manual here tells you everything you need to know. So the big feature on these is you get a bunch of different color temperature ranges on these. So you get the white 6500K, kind of a warm yellowish, kind of a tungsten type color 4300K, a 3000K, which is a nice yellow that'll be good for driving in the fog, and it also comes with a hazard light too. So let's get these in the truck and let's run them through their paces. This is one of the best things about owning an older truck. I don't have to spend an hour and a half trying to change a headlight bulb. Let's time how long it takes me to change out one of the bulbs on this truck. Or let's at least just see how long it takes me to get them out. Go. There, how long was that? We are actually just going to do the low beam bulbs today. So all we have to do is plug in this bullet adapter and plug in our light, and like it's that easy. We're good to go. All right, so super easy install here. We just have the bullet. These are our high beams. We don't want to scratch those up or get any our finger oil on them. And the outside ones on this truck are the low beams. So we're just going to simply disconnect the factory bulb, and we are going to connect in our adapter harness, and then we are going to plug our adapter harness into our bulb. It's got to be like that. I'm just going to quickly go into the truck, and before we actually install the unit, we're just going to give her a quick tap. Now, of course, some of you may be thinking, how do I get them to cycle through the color modes without any additional wiring? Well, it's this easy. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just cycle your highs and lows real quick within less than 2 seconds, and that's what changes the color temperature on the light. Pretty cool, eh? Super easy to use, super easy to install. So I'm just gonna cycle the switch here and we'll go through the different modes. We start at the default, which is the 6500K. Flip the switch again, we are at our 4300K, kind of the softer yellowy type light. Flick your high lows yet again, and we are down to our 3000K. One more time, and that'll bring us to our hazard lights. We are now about a week and a half after install here. I've done quite a bit of driving, and I can say that I am happy with these lights. They work good in the cold. They're not flickering, super bright. They just overall, they work well. The link to these lights is down there in the description if you're thinking about getting a set for yourself. Before this, I have always been super hesitant to put a set of LEDs in any of my vehicles, and I definitely didn't want to go HIDs, but these work, they work great. I actually don't have any complaints about them. There is a big difference in these lights. If you have any questions about the performance of these lights, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can if you have any questions regarding these lights. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see everybody in the next video. So absolutely, those are significantly brighter than stock.